Mathang chahi lising ani kuntareta pangthokani panariba Manipur Legislative Assembly gi mikhalda NPP na absolute majority Phangduna anoba Leingak ama Semnabagi Pandam Thamli haina NPP gi National President Conrad K Sangmana phongdokre wafamasi MSF DES ta pangthokpa NPP Manipur State Unit ke annual convention gi thoramda saruk yabaga mari leinana Pangthokpa paugi mifam amada mahakna phongdokhibani annual convention adu the NPP gi National Vice President Irengbam Hemochandra NPP Manipur State ki President Dr. Lorho S Foze Manipur Leingak ki Minister Khuraizam Loken amadi NPP Manipur State ki thaupuba miyoi kena saruk yakhi Numinini ki khongchata state asida lakhiba Meghalaya ki Chief Minister su oiriba National People's Party ki President Conrad K Sangmana Haik Makata na Haikibada Mahaki numit nini ki Manipur khongchara si maruoy na lamdam masida thokliba irang si mataw karamna loishingadage lanjunariba singda NPP na kari mating pangbayabage amadi Manipur gi chawkha thorangi damak kari karamba thorang paikhat bayabage haibagi matangda khana naba Manipur da lakpani amaromda Manipur da thokliba irang asigi warushinama puraktuna mahosagi fibamda hanjunabagi damak Khundaminariba furup singi marakta amana amabu thazanaba mathau tai haiki mahangna makha taraduna hauzik Manipurda oiriba political gi mawong mataw asi aduki matik fibam sokle mathang chayida state asida pangthoknabagi thorang tawriba state assembly mikhalda Northeast ke regional party ama oiriba NPP na miyam gi thazabaga loinana absolute majority Phangduna state asida NPP gi Leingak ama Semnaba Pandam Thamli hauzik su NDA gi mifam pangthokpa matamda NPP na Manipur gi irang asi loishinduna Mausa gi phibam da hanjilaknaba khanari Manipur miyam gi damak nungai yaifaba amasung chawkha thorang gi damak NPP na sem saraga leiri haina sumangna makhataki
So I have always believed that, and I think as a party, that's the only way to move forward. But again, as I said, it will depend on the state committee. We will have detailed discussions. We aspire, but right now, as I said, we are organizing ourselves all 60. We will see when the time. So number one, of course, whatever financial support we could give from our side, I have tried my best to give. We give some support. As I said, I know it's not enough, but as a party, we have reached out and done our bit in it, and we will continue to try to support even more. That's number one. Number two, of course, at the central level, these matters have been discussed again and again. And every time we have a meeting at official level or at political level, these matters come up. And being a party that has, part of, the politics in Manipur, we are very, very frequently consulted on how to move forward in this line. And we have, raised this concern that as far as possible, we should try to at least ensure that the IDPs are able to go back and to their families and to their homes. And that is what the government is, in fact, trying to do. And that is what Center also is trying to do.